All right, today we got a couple hours to work up on the land. Jen's with me today, so she's up anchor sealing all that pine I cut yesterday, and she's going to work the tractor. I'm going to work the excavator, and we're going to clean up the rest of the brush from the trees in the driveway, and just start start cleaning from here on. We got a couple days to clean. I texted the excavator last night, and he's ready to go soon. So today's Thursday. I'm going to spend the weekend just cleaning as much as I can, and then be ready to go next week whenever he's here. So that's about it for today. I'm still tired from yesterday, so kind of taking it easy. I just plan on being in the machine most of the time, so but we'll see how that goes. So let's get started. Jen once said, "How come you're not taping me anchor sealing, doing all this work?" It's already clear almost. It's only been like 10 minutes. Let's call it the proposed driveway that I didn't get approval to put in, that are going to make great. They're going to make great saw logs, nice and straight, lots of wood, kind of like the one I cut yesterday. So I'm not worried about how much wood I don't or don't have. I'll find plenty. That'll be a winter project. held you down. What happened? What happened? Oh.
I wasn't paying attention.
No problem. Put them right back on. Good. All right, we got all the weeds off of it. Hopefully that went well. We're dropping those logs off. Sometimes you got to pick it up by hand. Clean this stuff all up with the dump truck. It's just got too many fines in it to go on the forks. So I'm gonna have the dump truck here this weekend to move rocks, so I'll take a load down here, dump it in the burn pile. I'm anxious to get that going. I love burning stuff. Sure, especially when I've been looking at it for 6 months. That pile's getting pretty big. Pretty in the way. Today is September 5th. And you can get a burn permit September 15th, so I'll probably be first in line. I don't see her yet. I hope that went well. Hello, Jen. Here she comes. She likes to drive that tractor slow, which is fine. No complaints. I like to drive it fast. That's a whole stick of yeah, heck with this, we'll throw it over here. The tree's been down for years over there. I guess it went okay. today, you saw Jen was with me, and we got some some small stuff done. We got all this cleaned up good enough. I got this one pile left. Hey, Toad. One pile. I'll pick up with the truck. That's all clean. Everything's clean in here. So should be ready. Once the excavator comes in here and pushes all this, none of this is gonna matter. So that's it. We're ready for the excavator. I got a couple days of cleaning rocks. You know, you've heard me say before, the more rocks I can clean with my machine, the less I gotta pay him to clean. So challenge is to know your limits. Put the big boys down. So that's it. Another good day. Didn't overexert ourselves today. I think we're gonna head down to the ocean. Maybe go a little boat ride. So, like I always say, do what you dig what you do. See you next time. Bye-bye.